heard about Balanced Flow from a neighbor of mine, so she told me about it, and I was kind of excited, but also cynical, because I'd tried so many different forms of treatment in the past with acupuncture and with massage and with different medicines, and never had anything that really worked for very long. So when I heard about this, I was willing to try, but I didn't have a lot of confidence. But once the treatment started, I felt a difference right away. And I said to my wife, wow, I haven't felt anything like this in so long. I'm excited about, there's things I want to do. I want to play golf again. I want to try pickleball. I want to do a lot of things, and I'm starting to feel like I can do those things. And so it's all thanks to Balanced Flow. I love it here. I love the people here. It's been a great experience, and I highly recommend them. I give them 5 stars. If they're 6 stars, I'd give them 6 stars. But if you have any kind of problems like what I've had, give it a try, because it works.